Welcome back to my channel. The subject for today's discussion is I love Amaravati. In fact, though for those who don't know what is Amaravati, Amaravati is the capital of Andhra Pradesh, the newly formed Andhra Pradesh, that is. So, what does Amaravati mean and what are its esoteric roots? I'll explain today. So, we all are familiar with all the avatars. So, this is the image of Buddha, Lord Buddha from Amaravati. This is a real-time statue. Statue in the sense it is not a statue, mammoth structure. So, what does this signify? We all know that there are avatars, 10 avatars, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha. So, what do you observe here? Buddha is the ninth among the avatars. So, basically, this is basically the lower three worlds. This is where Kaliya lives. This is Kaliya's realm. So it is symbolically, it is very dark in the sense this is the underground. After that, this is basically Chandra's world. And yesterday I gave you the structure here. Agni and Shukra report to Chandra, Chandra, Surya report to Rahu. So the thing is here, this is Agni and Shukra's place. Agni has his own sun, so he is enlightened, but Shukra guy is in dark mostly. So these two report to Chandra. This is Chandra's world, that is Earth, lower Earth. And after Chandra's world, we have Rama's world, Avatara. After Rama Avatara, there is the Krishna Avatara. After Krishna Avatara, we have at the ninth Avatara is Buddha. And after Buddha, we have Kalki. So, let us see how these avatars end. The Rama Avatara ends at 69, Krishna Avatara ends at 79, Buddha Avatara ends at 89, Kalki ends at 99. So, our place, the Amaravati, has everything to do with this 100th avatar, 100th prime number. So, what is 100th prime number? This is 100th prime number, VI 100 541. So the thing is here, this is another version, yeah. So 99, after 99 is over, in the sense after the Kalki Avatara is over, then the Lord Amara is 15 cube, just below 16 cube. This 15 cube Amara that I showed you yesterday, this is the Lord Ra, R-A, Ra 44 and 193, who handles three suns, is the one who will rule. So this is Lord Amara. And see here, Lord Amara is 44, and if you observe here, this is Lord Buddha. After Lord Buddha, we will have Lord Kalki. After Lord Kalki, this is Lord Amara. What Amara means? Amara is basically In Sanskrit, Amara means immortal. So, this is the Lord, this is the Lord of immortals. When we say immortals here, after 9900, they are not quite immortal, right? 100, though after 100, they count as gods. Till 99, we are all, till Kalki, we are all immortals. After 99, 100, from 100, they will be counted as immortals. So Lord Amara is the first god of the immortal people. When we say immortal, they are not really immortal. They actually live up to 100 years. This is how we started. This is how we started. And we slid down these avatars into Patala. So basically, Yaldabaoth, when he made Adam, the Geradamas, this is the place where he created Geradamas. Geradamas is nothing but, as we know, he is Garuda. Garuda is Geradamas. After this whole thing is over, here this is a Garuda, in the sense Garuda is above these 15 squares. When 15 squared fully forms, that is Garuda. So Garuda is in a way the Lord Amara. And there is a story also in the Hindu mythology saying that when Nagas and Garuda fought, when Indra allowed, kind of allowed the Nagas to have Amrita. Amrita is the celestial drink which makes you immortal. So that drink, the Indra, somehow it fell into hands of Nagas, the Vasiki and Vasiki's children. Garuda uh, defeated Nagas and took away the Amrita again. So the Garuda guy lives here, and so Garuda is none other than the Lord Amara. So this Lord Amara is 44. He is here, and that in the as a tribute to Lord Amara, this Amaravati is being constructed. So nobody can stop this construction. The Rakshasas, the lower entities, may try their best, but they cannot prevent Amaravati from being built. And we will reach this, our Eden. Amaravati is our Eden, where basically the Geradamas was first created. And we went down these snakes, these slithering snakes, and we ended up in this present world. But we will, with our good behavior, we will climb back the ladder to the stage of Amara, Lord Amara's place, and that is Amaravati, where we will have the eternal 1,000 years of peace, rule of the 1,000 years golden age, as we call it, not even golden age, whatever is beyond gold, that age, and where everyone lives for 1,000 years, that is our real Eden. So whether it is the Hindu avatars, Buddha is ninth avatar in Hindu religion, Kalki is 10th avatar. After Kalki, the Lord Amara will rule, and once we reach the Lord Amara's rule, that is these two good mothers, we, 22 squared and 22 squared, form, then we would have reached the real Amaravati. And that is the meaning of Amaravati, and nobody can stop the construction of Amaravati because It is the destiny. It is Lord Arudra's mission. Arudra's duty ends here in the sense in becoming Garuda. He will become Garuda once this phase is over. So, whoever thinks they can stop Amaravati, they don't have God's blessings. God intends to complete Amaravati, and it will be constructed, come what may. So, that's the subject for today. Thank you very much. Let us meet some other time. Bye.